In tire recycling, cutting is the first and most important step. This is our hydraulic tire cutter, designed for standard passenger and truck tires. The operator places the tire onto the working platform and adjusts the position using the hydraulic control system. Once aligned, the machine applies strong hydraulic force, quickly cutting the tire into smaller sections. The operation is simple, safe, and highly efficient. This machine is widely used for processing waste tires before shredding. Now, let's take a look at our OTR tire cutting solution. For large OTR tires, we use a heavy-duty hydraulic tire cutter. The machine firmly presses the tire and applies powerful force to cut through thick rubber layers. Even large and hard tires can be processed with ease. This significantly reduces tire size, making it easier for further recycling processes. Both machines are built with strong structures, stable performance, and long service life. If you are looking for a reliable tire cutting solution, feel free to contact us for more details.